So I'm going to see if I can show you how this speaker sounds when trying to play it. I'll see if I can. It needs a battery. Hold on. Okay, so let's see if we can play something here. Okay, turn it off. Remove the DeWalt battery. The front has a different Torx size than the screws in the back. Maybe this one. Go ahead and take these two out. And then there's these two screws here, and then there's 4 screws here, 2 at the bottom and 2 at the top. These are deep holes, and that's too small a bit, but it won't fit in there anyway with what I got. So I've actually got these longer bits that will work once I get the right size. Okay, so this is a T20. The small one in the front was a T10, and so the back takes a T20. So now we're going to take these back ones out. Okay, all 4 of these screws out. Get all out here. There they are. Now this front will come open, just like that. So now what I want to do is unscrew these speakers. I'll have to Phillips. Let's see. There's a large Phillips bit here. They're not the easiest to dig out of here. There we go. Okay, so there's 4 Phillips screws for each speaker. There's one speaker. So that's this speaker. And if you look in here, they both plug right into this circuit board. So I'm just going to unplug this one. And I've got that one separate. I'll set this over here out of the way. So I pulled them out before and I looked at it. Has full travel. Don't feel like it's catching on anything. There was a bunch of sand and dirt in the edges here. I cleaned it out, And they did sound better when I put them back together, but I think I can get a better quality sound. Replacing it with these. These I just bought on Amazon. They were $11 each. So basically, I'm investing $22 for this older speaker, but I think it'll be worth it in the long run. I don't know, it's kind of small. Hopefully yeah, holes are the same. I read the reviews on this, and one person out of the reviews used these for a replacement on their DeWalt speaker, so I thought I would try it, and it looks like it'll work. Visiton is the company, I guess, and see if I can find a part. It's just called a FR7. It looks like FR7. Alright, so now I just got to get these wires off here and get them onto that speaker. Okay, so now I'm going to try to get these wires unsoldered off this speaker. I do not know how to solder wires. I know how it's done, and I've messed with it before a long time ago. So let's see. I got this little thing here that will suck the solder off when it's melted, and see if we can do a successful job here. I think it's hot enough already. Okay. Okay, we'll try it again. I don't even know if this is the correct way you use these things. Yeah. Okay, try this other one here. Alright. Got that one off. Now comes the hard part. See if we can do this one. Comes to flux, I'm not sure how we do this. Okay, I stuck these wires through the terminals. Of course, the red is on the positive and the black is on the negative, just like on that one. Now all I gotta do is what I have never done before, actually. Solder these on here good enough to work. So let's see what we can do. Let me try the first one here. Almost burned myself. Okay. Heat it up a little bit. too. I don't know if we can do it from here or not, but it'd be nice. Let it cool for a second and we'll see if it's halfway workable. I don't know if you can see that from right there, but they are nice and solid. All right. Good deal. All right. Well, let's work on the next one. I should have got all that extra off of there. Sucks it right up in there. That's pretty neat. Okay. So that one's removed. That one's removed. Get our new speaker. Okay. I wish I knew why on the speaker box one speaker has a black and white wire, the other speaker has a black and red wire. And I'm guessing that one is probably for a more bass sound and one is more for a treble sound, but I don't know. The speakers are exactly the same, so I don't know. But anyway, I'll just put it exactly back the way I got it. Alright, here we go. Put them in there. Bend it over. Just like that. Same way with this one. Hope this one is as easy as that first one, because that wasn't bad at all. I think I'm going to try to solder them up like this maybe. I don't know. Seems like that might be a better deal. Okay, solder, iron, here we go. Since these had a little solder on them already, I kind of just watch for it to start smoking a little bit and then apply the solder. And yeah, not bad for a beginner. All right. Now we're just going to put them back on here. I really hope these turn out to be really good. Even better than the other ones, you know. Okay, so kind of hard to see in there. Let me see if I got a light here. You can see inside here. These plugs, they just plug right in there, just like that. And these aren't touching; they're separated. So we're ready to put it back together. And see if it works. Back the way it was. Right. Now, I think I will put these two front ones in first. Okay, I got it all the screws back in, all put back together, and see how she works. I don't know how loud it's gonna be. We'll see. Let's see here. What can I play?
The truckers heading west, Colorado.
Not bad at all.
Passing the miles with his friends on the CB code. And tonight's a truck stop somewhere out in nowhere.
That's all the way. I don't hear crackling or anything like it was doing, so I think it is doing good. There's a song from the 70s. Anyway, it's good to go for a long time.